Are you over 40 and curious about AI, but feel a bit intimidated? You're not alone, and we're here to show you how simple and helpful it can be. Forget complex coding or jargon. These free AI tools are designed for everyday tasks, just like texting a friend. They're here to support and empower you, not replace you. First up, ChatGPT. It's like having a super smart assistant that can draft emails, organize your ideas, or even generate recipes. Just type what you need. Then there's Claude.ai, known for being helpful, honest, and harmless. It excels at organizing complex information, like turning vacation ideas into a clear, bulleted list. And don't forget Microsoft Copilot, integrated with internet search for real-time information. It can even create images for you, like a personalized family photo calendar. These tools save time and reduce intimidation, augmenting your skills with natural language. No jargon, just simple conversations. Ready to explore AI without fear? Subscribe to my new YouTube channel to join a community of beginners learning AI together. Let's empower your digital journey.